Autopsy failed to ascertain cause of Mohbad's death. Pathologist.
According to him, the cause of death cannot be determined because he gave a lot of reasons. He said by the time he conducted the test, the body had decomposed, and that it is not possible for them to determine the cause of death. So in summary, he's saying the cause of death cannot be what? Ascertained. And when you say cause of death cannot be ascertained, it means it is suspicious. It is not clear. No particular reason. But he also went further to say that it may be attributed to reaction to certain drugs administered on him before he died. Again, he then qualified that again to say he does not know whether it is those drugs that actually led to his death. So, like the other senior advocate mentioned, this is an inquiry into the cause and manner of death. The other fact that we are reviewing today, you, the press, you have a lot of role to play in informing the public about what is going on here. The coroner here has an open mind. All the lawyers here are working to ensure that we get to the bottom of this matter. And until we arrive at our destination, we will not rest.
Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share. Thanks you for watching.